Hello, Pat. Oh, look, sorry. Hello, where are you? Can you turn on your video?
Okay.
All right. Oh, there you go. So how are you this evening? How are you?
I'm happy and you.
You're happy. Yes, I am also happy. Can you share, teacher, why are you happy? Why are you
Yes.
happy? Can you tell me why? Look at me. I'm here. Oh, why are you happy? You're happy because?
Because I go to school.
Because you go to the school. Wow, you went to the school. That's why you are happy. And I guess you got perfect in your class. Am I right? That's why you
Yes.
were happy. Wow. Okay. Good job. Now, are you ready for us to start our lesson? Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Yes. All right. Since you are ready, I will start my share screen now. All right. Okay, wait for a while. I'll start my share screen for you to see my screen. All right, now there you go. Can you see teacher screen? Can you see my screen? Look.
Yes.
All right, yes. Oh, it's still loading. Wait for a second. Oh, so if you are ready, look at here, look at here. What is written there on the screen? Now, can you tell me what is written on the screen? What's written there? If you are ready, you're going to, what's this? What's this? Please read this one. Look at here. What's this?
I on me.
Yes, it's eyes on me. Okay, can you show me your eyes on me? Eyes on me. Oh, don't touch your eyes. I just said, look at me. Just eyes on me. All right. So if you are ready, I want you to put your eyes on me. Wow, big eyes. Now here. And also listen to me. Okay? Okay? Look, listen to me. Will you promise me that you will listen? Yes or no? Look. Yes or no? Huh? Will you listen to me now? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Wow. Very good. Now, I hope that you will listen to me so that you will have a perfect score. Okay. Now, let's start with your lesson. Now, can you tell me what lesson are we now? Lesson. Look at the screen. What lesson are we now? Lesson? Lesson? Please read. What lesson are we? Look at the screen. I said a while ago, eyes on me. So what lesson are we now? Lesson? Look at the screen, look. What is on the screen? What lesson are we now? Lesson, look at there. 11. point? What point? Point 1, point 2. Look. What lesson are we now? 11.1, and that is still about your body. All right. So last Saturday, as what we have discussed, we already discussed some of your body parts. Now, for tonight, we are going to discuss another parts of your body, since our body has a lot of parts. Are you ready? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes, right. Okay, let's start. All right. Here, I have here new words for you to learn. All right, here. Look at this one. Can you guess what is the name of the one I showed on the picture? What is this? What is that? That is your...
Is us.
Do you know what is this? Yes or no? Do you know this? All right, since I think you're still thinking, so I'll try to let you hear what is the name of this one in the picture. So this is a, what is that? Do you hear it?
Neck.
Neck. All right, great. Now, can you show teacher your neck? Where is your neck? Where is your neck? Look. Where's your neck? Come on, touch your neck. Show teacher your neck. Look at here. I can see your neck. Look. Where is your neck? Can you show teacher your neck? What are you doing there again? Huh? Okay, look at me here. Where am I? Look at me in the screen. Look at me on the screen. So, look at teacher. Oh, teacher is touching her neck. This is my neck. Now, where is your neck? Can you also touch your neck? Look. Hello. All right. Can you touch your neck? Show teacher your neck. Come on. Look at mine. Oh, this is mine. How about yours? This is my neck.
Neck.
Oh, where is your neck? Can you touch your neck for me? Touch. Touch. Do like this.
Neck.
Oh, neck. Yeah, very good. That is your neck. Next, this one. What is this? Listen to this one. Oh, what is that? Oh, what is that?
Shoulder.
Shoulder. Okay, this is teacher's shoulder. How about your shoulder? Can you do like this to your shoulder? Can you show me? Do like this to your shoulder. Come on. Do like this. Move. All right. Do like this. You move your shoulder round in. Right. Great job. This is your shoulders. All right. Next. This one. It is pointing like this. So this one is what we called as, what is that?
Elbow.
Yes, elbow. Now, can you show teacher where is your elbow? This is my elbow. Look at teacher. Elbow. How about yours? Elbow. Can you show teacher your elbow? Come on, show teacher your finger. Elbow.
Elbow.
Yeah, elbow. Right. This is our elbow. The right elbow and the left elbow. All right?
All right.
We have two elbows. The left elbow and the right elbow. Now look at here on the picture. What is this? Can you guess what is this? Do you know this? Yes or no?
I don't know.
Oh, you don't know. Okay. Since you don't know, you have to listen to this. Look at what is the name of this. Oh, what is that? Again?
Back.
Back, right. Our back is here. Oh, come on. Can you touch your back? Can you touch your back? Come on, touch your back. Back. So that you will know.
Back.
And yeah, so that you will know and you will remember the name of our body parts. Okay? Because teacher wants you to remember the one we discussed. That's why teacher is asking you to touch it. All right? A while ago, I asked you to touch your neck, your shoulder, your elbow, and your back because I want you to remember. Okay? Remember what teacher is telling you. All right? Now here next. Look at here. Look under the screen. Oh, that one. What is that? This is your, look at here. Listen, look and listen. Oh, what's the name of that?
Chin.
Oh, look at again. Listen again. Listen. Oh, how to pronounce that word? Again, one more time. Oh, what is that? It is called as knee. Okay? What's the name of that? Your
Knee.
knee, right? It is not pronounced as knee, but it is knee. You will not say the letter K. That is your knee. It is between your legs and your feet. That's your knee. Okay, next. Ah, look at the boy. The boy is touching his, this one. What is this?
Check.
Ah, okay, listen to this. Great. Look at this. Ah, what is that?
Check.
Chest. Again. Again, look. Check. Chest. Pronounce letter S. Chest. Okay, now, can you touch your chest? Can you touch your chest? Where is your chest? Where is your chest? Touch it. Yes, that is your chest. Oh, don't forget, this one is what we called as the chest. All right, next. Okay, here, structure. How will you use the body parts in sentence? All right, here. Ah, what is this? You will say, this is an, what's the name of this?
This is a
An.
elbow.
Elbow. This is an elbow. Again.
This is an elbow.
Right. This is an elbow. Now here, another question. Oh, you will say, this is an elbow if you are showing one elbow. But if you are showing your two elbows like this, you will say, these are my elbows. Again, these are my elbows. Again. Look at teacher. Say, if you show two, one and two, you will say, these are elbows. Again, these are my elbows. Say it, look. These are, wait, I will write it here so that you will not forget. These are my elbows. Ah, can you say it? Please read. This, look at here on the screen. It's written here so that you will not forget. If you show one, two, oh, you will say, these are my elbows. Again, say it, look. This, look at here, look at teacher. I want you to read what teacher wrote on the screen. Come on. What will you say if you show two elbows? You will say, these are my elbows. Again?
These are my elbows.
Yes, these are my elbows if you show two or more elbows. But if it's only one, you will say, this is my elbow. You'll say, this is my elbow. Again, this is my elbow. Again, look. This is my elbow. Come on, say it.
This is my elbow.
Right. Great. So you will say this if it's only one, and you will say these are if you will show two or many. Understand? Yes or no? Do you understand? Look, do you understand, teacher? Yes or no? Look at teacher here. Do you understand? I am asking because if you don't understand, teacher will help you learn again. Understand? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, don't forget these words. Now here, another question for you, look. How many fingers have you got? Okay, can you show teacher where are your fingers? Can you show on the screen your fingers? On the screen, where are your fingers? Fingers. Fingers, please. Where are your fingers? Look at mine. Teacher has fingers. How about look? Where is your fingers? Or where are your fingers? Where are your fingers? It's here. How about Luke's fingers? Where are you? Look at me. Look at me. Where are your fingers? Come on, show teacher. You know there is a song about fingers. You'll say, Daddy finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Mommy finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Ah, now can you show teacher your fingers? Fingers, please. Show on the screen your fingers because I want you to learn the parts of the body. Come on. Where are your fingers? Here on the screen. Look. What are you doing there? Teacher, show your fingers. Where are these? Look at teacher. Oh, teacher is showing fingers. How about look? Where are your fingers? Show like this. Do like this. Do like this. Move your fingers. So how many fingers have you got? How many?
10.
10. So you will say, I have got 10 fingers. Again, I have got 10 fingers. Say it again. have got 10 fingers. Come on, say it. Follow, teacher. Come on, come on. I have
got 10
fingers. Again?
fingers.
Oh, there's S because it's more than one. If it's only one, then you'll say finger. If it's many, it should be fingers. Oh, you forgot the one we discussed last time? That is the one we discussed. Finger and fingers. Oh, please don't forget, look, because teacher wants you to learn. Okay, please don't forget. Now next. Next, we have here this one. Look and write. So I have here body parts. What, can you count with me the body parts? Come on, count together with teacher. Come on here, face here. Look at here. I want you to count 1, 2, follow teacher. 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 6 body parts that you are going to write. Okay? You're gonna tell me the correct spelling of each word. Understand? Tell teacher the correct spelling. So you're gonna tell me the spelling. Now, let's go first to this. Wait. All right. So this one, look at teacher. What is being shown on the picture? Look at the picture here. Look at here, please. Come on. What is this? Look at the picture. What is this? Back. Okay. What are the missing letters of the word back? There is already B. What's next to letter B? What is next to letter B? Come on, tell teacher.
Back.
Oh, Leah, back. Yes. The spelling of the word back. What is the spelling of the word back? Letter B is already given. What is next? Letter A. Next. C and
K.
K. All right. You said the missing letters are A, C, K to complete the word back. Right. Now, how about this second word? What is this second word? This is
Back.
This one. What's this? Can you tell me the name of this?
Elbow.
Elbow, right. Now, what are the missing letters of the word elbow? Letter E. EU? Elbow. Letter
L.
Great. Next. B. What's next to B? Last letter. Letter O. So, elbow. Now, how about this third picture? What is here in the third picture? What is this? This one. What is this?
C.
K. Next. Next to K, letter?
E.
Letter? Sit properly. Letter? Tell me the letter.
Letter.
The time is 9:00 p.m.
What letter? What's next to K? This one is what we called as. What's the name of this? Can you tell me the name of this? You still remember what's the name of this?
C.
Knee. It's not. Okay, listen. Knee. What is this?
Knee.
Oh, what is the missing letter here? You already gave me letter K. What's next to letter K? Look. Give me the letter. N. Right. K-N-E-E. All right. Thank you, Luke, for giving me the letter. Now here, how about the fourth? Neck. Right? This is a neck. Now, what are the missing letters of this? E,
K.
C, and letter K. So that is neck. How about this one? What is this?
Shoulder.
Shoulder. Now, can you tell me the missing letter of the word shoulder?
D.
Letter D. R. Right. D-E-R. And this one, what is this, look? What's this?
K.
Chest, right? This is a chest. Now, can you tell me the missing letters of the word chest? Letter E. Next. Sit properly. Sit properly. Come on. Yeah, E is already there. What's next to letter E?
E.
E, double E. Are you sure it's E and E?
No.
No. Now, what is next to letter E?
X.
S. All right. Thank you, Luke, for giving me your answer. Now, it's time for us to check. Look at me. It's time for us to check if your answer is correct. Now here, number 1. What do you call to this body part? What is this? Look. What is this? Back. Now, your answer is A-C-K. Now, let's try to check if your answer is correct. The answer in number 1 is... Are you correct? Are you correct? Look at your answer. Are you correct? Yes or no? Are you correct, Luke? Come on, tell me. Yes, great. So you are correct. I will check it. Very good. Now here, number 2. All right. What is shown on number 2? What is number 2? Number 2 is...
Elbow.
elbow. Your answer are letters. What letter is this? Letter. What letter? Come on. E, L. Oh,
B-O.
B and O. Now let's try to check if your answer is correct. Elbow. Oh, look at that. Is your answer correct or not? Look at there. Check your work. Check or not. Look at teacher. I am here. Now, is your answer correct? Yes or no? Yes. All right. I will check Letter E, letter L, letter B, letter O. Great, look. Very good. Very good. Now here, what is this? Look at number 3. What is the name of this body part? Look, this is... Come on, say it. What is this? Look.
Neck.
Oh, not neck. It's knee. Again, knee.
Knee.
Right. Knee. Now, it's time for us to check if your answer is correct. Knee. K-N. Are you correct?
Yes.
Yes! Great job! Very good. Always very good. I'll check it. Wow, it's a big check by teacher. Oh, now here, next. In the fourth one, what do you call to this body part? Look. What is this? This is... Oh, look at teacher. What is this?
A neck.
Neck. All right, let's try to check if your answer is correct. Letter E, letter C, and letter K. Great job. Wow, look at that. Can you see that? I gave you a big check. Ah, great job. Can you do it? You know how to do it?
Head and shoulder.
All right. Head, shoulder, knees and toes, knees and toes. Do you know that song?
Yeah.
Ah, yeah. It's a nice song. Okay. Later, I will ask you to sing it for me. Okay? Okay, now, yes. Next, how about this one? What is this? What is this? This is a... What is this? This one. What is this? It's a shoulder. Now it's time for us to check if your answer is correct. Now you answered here is D-E-R. Now teacher will check. D-E-R. Are you correct? Yes or no? Yes, very good. Teacher is so happy because you got correct answer. Now, how about the last picture? What is the last picture? Look, it is what? Look at the picture. Look at the picture. What is there on the picture? What is this? This is a... What is this? Look, it's a... Come on, tell me. What is this? It's a... chest. Now let's try to check. Oh, look at that. Look, you are again correct. Very good, very good. Now, let's proceed to another slide. All right, there. Here, I want you to look and check. All right, check. Okay, now here, tell me in number one. What is this? Look at here. Please read. What is this?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Please, can you read it all? This? Please read. Come on, please read. Look, where are you? Come on. Student, look. Where are you? Here I am. How do you do? Now, here, Where is the answer? Please read to me your answer. What is this? This is my chest or this is my hand? What is your answer? Come on. This is my chest or this is my hand? Your answer is?
Chest.
No, you're going to read it all. This is my chest. Again?
Chest.
Remove your hands because teacher wants to check if you say it correctly. Come on, please read. Come on. This is my chest. Again?
Chest.
Again, how about the word this? You did not say it. Come on, say it. This is my chest.
Chest.
Again.
This is my chest.
Right. I want you to answer like that always. Do not give me short answer. All right, next here. What is this? Look at the picture. What is shown on the picture? What is this? This is my foot or this is my elbow?
This is my elbow.
All right. Your answer is this is my elbow. Next, how about this one? What are these? These are my hands or these are my shoulders? What is your answer? What is your answer? These are my hands or these are my shoulders? What's your answer? Come on.
It is my shoulder.
Oh, there is no word is there. It's are. Again, these are my shoulders. Again.
These are my.
Come on. These are my. Come on, say it. This. Pastor Luke.
Oh, my shoulder.
Again, I want you to say it correctly again. These are my shoulders. Again, please.
These are my shoulder.
Right. Oh, I told you, say it correctly. Okay, I already checked your work. Now here, next picture, the fourth one. What is this? This is my knee or this is my arm? Look at the picture. What is shown there? This is my knee or this is my arm? What is there, Luke? Luke, where are you? What is this? This is my knee or this is my arm? The answer is... Come on. The answer is... Look at teacher. What is this? This is my knee or this is my arm?
These are my knee.
It's not are, is. Again, this is my knee. Again.
These are my knee.
Do not say are. This is my knee. Again. I will ask you to repeat it again and again if you will not do it properly. Come on. This is my knee. Again.
This is my knee.
Please remember what's the use of is and are. You will use is if it's only one. And you will use are if it's two or many. Please don't forget that one, look, ha? Okay, now here, it's time for us to check your work. Number 1, can you please read to me your answer in number 1, look? Number 1, Where is number 1? Look. Here, please read number 1. What is this? Your answer is this. Please read. Oh, you're not. Please don't chat me. Say it. Do not chat me. Come on. Please read number 1. This is my chest. Again. Look. Read it. Number 1. What are you doing? Are you listening? Yes or no? Hello? Hello, look. Come on. What is the answer in number 1? What is this? Please read.
Chest.
Ah, this is my chest. How about number 2? What is this? Answer is? Number 2. What is your answer in number 2?
Number 2 is
This, not a. It's not a. This is my elbow, not a elbow. This is,
elbow.
this is my elbow. Is. Again.
This is my elbow.
Okay, great. Now this one. What are this? This? What are this? These are my shoulders. Again. Come on, what are this? These are, say it. Come on. Ay. Come on now. These are
See, this is my elbow. These are my shoulders.
And the last one, what is this?
This is my neck.
Not neck. Knee.
Knee.
Oh, knee, not ne, ha? Not knee. Okay, now it's time for us to check your work. Look at number 1. Are you correct in number 1? The answer in number 1 is correct. Great job.
Yeah.
Yes. Number 2. Look at number 2. Are you correct in number 2? Look at the screen. Look at the screen. Look at the screen. Come on. Here, here, here. Oh, okay, great. Next, number 3. Look at number 3. Number 3 is correct again. And number 4, look at number 4. You got another correct. So, teacher will give you 2 thumbs up, meaning you are very good. Great job, Luke. Very good. Okay? Keep up the good work. Always do that thing. Okay? Be good always. Understand? Listen, like you keep on. Please listen. Teacher keeps on asking you to listen. You have to listen because I know you are good. All right. Now here. Look and write. What are these? This one. What are these? What is this one? Look at feet. Yes.
F-E-E.
T. Next. How about this one? What are these? What are these? This one.
Leg.
Leg.
L-E-H.
There is. Yes, legs. Great. Good. How about this one? What is this?
Neck.
Neck. Great. So what is the spelling of the word neck?
Neck.
Ah, very good. How about this last word here? Now, what is
Elbow.
elbow? Spelling of elbow, letter
E-L. L.
next.
E-L. O.
Oh,
No.
no. Okay, come on. E-L. Elbow. Oh, what's the spelling for that? Elbow. Ah, come on, tell me the spelling of elbow.
Elbow.
Ah, spelling of elbow. E-L next to L. Letter elbow. Bow. Ah,
O.
letter
B.
B. Next to B, letter bow. Bow.
U.
U.
O.
Oh, next to O. Last letter is letter
W.
W. Elbow. Now let's try to check your work. Are you correct? Oh, these are my feet. These are my legs. This is my neck. And this is my elbow. Very good. That you remember the names of your body parts. Please don't forget that one. Next. Oh, look at this one. This is what's this? Farm. Okay, it's what we called as funny farm. There are a lot of animals. What are the animals in the farm? What are the animals? We have there. What's this? What's this?
There are 2 chickens.
2 chickens. What else? How about this one? What is this?
This is a dog.
That is a dog. How about this? That is?
This is a
That
cow.
is-
This is a horse. This is a farmer.
Not this is. That is. You will use that because you are not touching it. If you are touching it, you'll say this is. You just say that is. All right. Now next. Oh, here is a farm. What are these? What are these? These are? These are? Do you know this? Yes or no?
Hands.
Oh, hands. It's found on your feet. These are toes. What are these?
Toe.
Oh, look at there. How many toes have you got? Now, can you please count the toes here? How many toes are there? Say it. Do not chat me. How many? Count. 1,
5.
5. So there are 5 toes. Next. This one. How many knees have you got? Oh, look at your knees. How many knees do you have? Look at your knees. How many are they? There are?
They are.
There are, not they are. There are?
There are.
How many? Oh, do not chat me again. Tell me, how many knees do you
There
have?
are one.
Ah, one only? There are two. Look. You have two knees. Oh, do not chat me lagi. Do not chat me. Just say it. I want you to say it. I will not read chats. Okay? You will say there. I have two knees. Again, what will you say? I have.
Two.
Yeah, I have two knees. Next. Oh, what are these? These are, what's this? These are, what's this? Oh, do not chat me again. Come on.
feet.
Feet. Very good. What are they? Oh, what are these?
This is
These are, what are these? These are legs. Now, can you show me your legs? Oh, maybe you can't show me because it's so far from you. Okay, show me can you show me your legs? Can you show me? Oh, you have legs. Great. Now next. What is this? How many elbows have you got? How many? I got. You say, I got.
I got two.
Two what? Two? I got two.
Two elbows.
Yes, I got two elbows. Next, what is this? What is this?
It's a chest.
Chest, right? Very good. Oh. Okay, so that is the end of our class tonight. I hope you remember the body parts, okay? Now, can you tell me what are the body parts that we discussed, that you learned tonight? Okay, what is this? Look at teacher.
Neck.
Neck, great. How about this one? What's this?
Shoulder.
Shoulder. How about this one? What's this? What is this? This is, do not chat me, say it. What is this? Elbow, right? And what else? You have knee and you have legs. So I want you to remember those parts because next class, next meeting on Wednesday, I will ask you again what are those. Okay?
Okay.
All right. So that would be all for tonight. And I hope you learned from me. Okay. Thank you for listening, Luke, and have a good night. Bye-bye.
Bye.
All right. Bye-bye. All right.